Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you thought Shopify was only for selling physical products, think again. Today I will show you exactly how to use Shopify to sell services like consulting, coaching, freelancing, or bookings step by step. Let's dive in. Yes, Shopify works great for service-based businesses. Even though it's built for e-commerce, you can list services like products, remove the shipping step, and even automate appointment bookings, invoicing, and client communication all from one place. Let's set that up. First of all, sign up at Shopify and choose a plan that fits your business. Once you are in your dashboard, go to settings, then store details, and fill in your business information. Under settings, click on checkout tab. Make sure customer accounts are optional or required, especially useful for services where you need client information. If you are offering local services, head to settings, then markets, and adjust your region accordingly. Next, let's add your services. Go to products from Shopify dashboard, click add product. For the title, enter the name of your service like one on one coaching season or logo design package. In the description, explain what include, how it works, pricing, delivery, um, time, etc. Upload an image from media tab or icon to visually represent the services. Important note: uncheck this physical product that will remove the shipping options. Then set your price like 1,000 dollar or $10 and click save from here. Repeat this for all your services. Now make your site feel like a service business. Go to online store, then themes, click customize. Replace products with services. Menu and a section titled right here, services. Services in menu and a section title. You can create homepage section like what I offer, how it works, client testimonials, book a session. Use a clean professional theme like Dawn or Refresh that works well for both desktop and mobile. Go to Shopify app. Want clients to book appointment? Click save and go back to home dashboard. Then apps, then apps channel settings, then Shopify App Store, and search for booking apps like Sesame. This let you add a calendar to your service page, set available dates and times, accept bookings right from your site. Most of these apps integrate directly with your existing product pages. Now let's get paid. Go to settings from dashboard, then payments. You can enable Shopify payments, choose a provider, payments Visa card, American Express, then PayPal, or even manual payments like bank transfer or cash delivery. From payments, then scroll down, add a manual payment, then bank deposit or cash delivery, COD. If you charge upfront, make sure require payment at checkout is turned on. If you take deposits or offer quotes, you can use apps like deposit and partial payment. Go to settings, then notification, and customize the email templates. For example, order confirmation becomes thank you for booking your service. Shipping confirmation becomes your service is scheduled. You can even include links to calendars, Zoom intake forms, or client portals. Quick bonus tips: use Shopify forms to collect client information and add testimonials to build trust. Create FAQs for each service. Link your Google Calendar for easy scheduling. And that's how you use Shopify to sell services in 2025. Whether you are a freelancer, coach, consultant, or creative, Shopify gives you everything you need in one place. If this helped, hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments below, and subscribe for more Shopify and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.